Hi everyone, welcome back to the Political Classroom. In today's video, we will delve into a thought-provoking comparison between two influential thinkers, Karl Marx and Confucius. We will explore their perspectives on traditionalism and revolutionism and how they shaped their respective ideologies. Karl Marx, a renowned philosopher, economist, and political theorist, is widely regarded as one of the founders of modern socialism and communism. He believed in the transformative power of revolution and advocated for the overthrow of existing social and economic systems. Marx criticized traditionalism, which he saw as a barrier to progress and equality. He argued that the capitalist system perpetuated class divisions and exploitation, leading to the alienation of the working class. Marx envisioned a revolution that would establish a classless society, where the means of production are collectively owned and wealth is distributed more equitably. On the other hand, we have Confucius, an ancient Chinese philosopher and the founder of Confucianism. Confucius lived during a time of social and political turmoil and sought to restore order and harmony through moral and ethical teachings. Confucius emphasized the importance of traditional values, social hierarchy, and filial piety. He believed that society could achieve stability and harmony by adhering to established customs, rituals, and virtues. Confucius saw traditionalism as a means to preserve social order and promote a sense of moral responsibility. While Marx and Confucius held contrasting views on traditionalism and revolutionism, both sought to address societal issues and improve the conditions of their time. Marx advocated for radical change and the overthrow of existing systems, whereas Confucius promoted the preservation of traditional values to maintain social harmony. It is essential to note that these thinkers lived in different eras and cultural contexts, which undoubtedly influenced their perspectives. Marx's analysis focused on economic structures and class struggle, whereas Confucius prioritized moral values and social relationships. Nevertheless, the ideas of Marx and Confucius continue to resonate and inspire discussions on social and political philosophy. Their works challenge us to reflect on the balance between tradition and progress, revolution and stability, and the role of individuals and communities in shaping societies. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Until then, keep exploring, questioning, and expanding your understanding of politics.